What's up guys, welcome back to a little rotary RX7 build update with my JZ13B. Just kidding, this doesn't belong here. But the RX7 is coming along. I haven't really shared a ton of progress. I've been waiting on parts, been waiting on the turbo kit for a little while, so that'll be here super soon. But I did want to showcase a part that I've been waiting for that just got here that I've been really excited to see. I already unboxed it, already laid it out in my living room, so I'm going to show you that in a second. But here's the rotary all built. I'm going to have a full build video that's pretty much already edited, but I wanted to finish it up when I put the pan on and we can put some of the accessories on it first. So once I can finish up the motor, I'll put out that first video. It'll be a full start to finish rotary build, but you'll get to see this little sneak peek of this thing. It's going to start looking sick. Anyway, let's go check out this harness. It is a full mil-spec one Autosports connector at the firewall, custom made wiring harness from LMS EFI. Chris Ludwig made the entire harness for us. I'm gonna showcase using a billet sandwich plate for the single connector and every sensor you could think of that you need to run a 8374 IWG single turbo 13B rotary with a Link G4X Fury. So yeah, I've been really excited about this. This is coming along. Anyway, let's go ogle over this really sweet wiring harness. Let's do it. So here is the harness all laid out on my living room table like a psychopath. It's clean enough that my wife let me put it here. And I was excited, so I kind of just did it. Look at this. Every single, look at all that nice writing, nice mil-spec harness. So here's one of the connectors right there. And you come across. This is the connector that's going to go in the car, as well as the fuse box that goes with it, which I think is super sick. There's the other connector that's going to be on the car side that feeds this entire harness, which is everything we need from ignition outputs all the way to every sensor and all the extra sensors you need to run for these rotaries, like turbine wheel speed, all that fun stuff. Everything's nice and labeled, and the stuff that really got me was the laminated pinouts. Like, come on, that's so sick. And I love the diagrams. Like, the attention to detail here is just epic. It's just epic. Just check this all out. And there's the fuse box. And it is just gonna be so effing sick in the car. So yeah, I've been quite excited about this and kind of ogling. So thank you to Chris Ludwig again for hooking us up so we can showcase this awesome setup. Anyway, let's finish this video off with a little edit of some wires.